Hello, welcome to WFit Offer. In this video, I will show you how to install WooCommerce in your WordPress website. So first of all, log in your WordPress website. After that, go to the plugin and click Add New. Now you need to install a WooCommerce plugin. So the search box right here, WooCommerce. And you will see this WooCommerce plugin. Go now, install now it. Then click activate. After that, you will redirect this page. Welcome to WooCommerce. Now put the address, use the WooCommerce address in this area, this address line. Select the country. Now select the city and put the postcode. If you create a store, online store for your clients, you can select here. So I don't this is a demo store, so I don't click here, just click continue. And if you want to count your e-commerce store in WooCommerce listed, you can yes count me in, but you can elect no thanks, so I click no thanks. Then which industry you are selling, so online so you can see fashion, apparel and accessories, health and beauty, electronics and computers, food and drinks. So you can select any one. I just select here fashion, so then click continue. Now you will see this physical products or downloadable products, which product you are selling. So I select physical products, then click continue. Now tell us about your business. How many products do you plan to display? You can select according to your product online store. So I select 1 to 10, 11 to 100. Then currently selling is, if you are selling any other platform, you can select here. Otherwise you can select no. This is not necessary. You can just this formality. So I don't need now this plugin. So just deactivate it. Remove it. Okay, then click continue. Now you will see this theme option, all theme. If you used free paid theme, you can upload paid theme, then you can use free theme from here. So my current theme, this is 2021 from default WordPress theme, so I used continue with my active theme. Okay, then you will see this Jetpack. It's we can install this plugin later, so we don't need it now. Just click no thanks. This WooCommerce successfully installed in our WordPress website. Now you can add products, choose payment method, add tax rate, set up shipping cost, personalize your store, everything. You will see this here: home, order, customer, coupon, reports, setting, status, extension. We will make more video about this every section. So thanks for watching our video and stay with us and subscribe WFit Offer.